Hey, welcome to Quiz World. Your brain has 5 seconds. Use them wisely. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Welcome to Quiz Guess the Word by Emojis Challenge. You have 5 seconds to guess each word. Can you get them all right? Let's see. Question 1. That's right, it's hot chocolate.
Do you know what it is?
Cowboy.
It's strawberry milk. Think fast. It's toothbrush. Hurry up. Teacher. Can you guess it? It's snowman. The correct answer is pirate. That's right, it's pancakes. The correct answer is battery. Starfish. Polar bear. It's forest. Ice cream. It's fog. That's right, it's seesaw. Bow. The correct answer is storm. Guess the word. Spicy. Cherry. Cartoons. Wrong idea. It's rainbow.
How many did you get right? See you in the next challenge.